Hey guys, how's it going? Matt with MotoWorks here, and another thrilling episode of Will We Get the Hayabusa Finished? The quick answer is absolutely. It's all done, guys. I just worked off camera, got it all done. So let's just take a real quick look at everything that I did to the bike. All right, last episode here, I had all the fairings off the bike. Now you can see they're all reinstalled. Everything's back on. The Brox is on there and looking good as ever. So what I did off camera is I installed the Brox top mount here, top triple tree mount here, so that I can lift these fork tubes up, raise them up just a little bit to lower the front end and give it that probably about, I'd say 3/4, maybe an inch drop in the front there. So it matches the back, because in the back I probably dropped it about an inch, inch and a half, and I just leveled it off by dropping the front. So I didn't go crazy. I don't want the tire to touch the tail light, and sometimes this customer here likes to ride double up, so I could have lowered it more, I know, but he doesn't want to rip his taillight off and destroy his tire, and I don't want him to either. So I got the lowering link in, and yeah, we powder coated it, but I don't know. You can't really see it in there. I mean, I guess if you're looking for it, you can see it. But lowering links are in. And the beauty of it is, if he doesn't like it and wants it lower, they're adjustable, so I can always lower it more. So I'm trying to think of what else I got done. I already had the brake lines, all that stuff on. And when I took it for the ride, no ABS light, so that worked 100% there. And I did a little test. I tried to lock up the rear brake, and it did not lock up. The ABS kicked in, so that's working just like it should be. Took it out for just a ride, just to make sure that the chain wasn't going to stretch like crazy, and if it, in the case it did, I would have been able to adjust it. I just don't want to send it off with him and have him to have to adjust the chain shortly after, well, or bring it back. I got the side stand on, and I might have to change the adjustment on it, but it's on and it's working. I'll see what he says, if he wants it to lean over further or not, but I mean, it's not going anywhere the way it is. A couple other things that I told him he should get. He already understands that a clear windshield on a bike that we're trying to black out is a no-no, and he doesn't want a clear windshield anyway, so that's going. And the other thing I want him to do is get smoke turn signals and a smoke taillight. If he doesn't get the smoke taillight, it's not as big a deal, but I do want him to get those smoke turn signals, kind of like what I have on my bike. Especially if we're going to be calling this project Blacked Out Busa. Yeah, we got to do something about those turn signals. But other than that, the bike is ready to go. I don't know if I don't think I installed the LED lights, or I didn't show you guys how bright they are, but I mean, they're pretty bright even in the daytime. I mean, also while I was in there, I put these blue lights in here. Just some LED blue lights in there as well. But yeah, that LED headlight bulb is super bright. So that's about all the stuff I did with it. That's the stuff I did off camera. But yeah, she's all done. gave the owner a call. He's actually on his way now. I would have done this outside and shown you outside, but as soon as I got back from my ride, it started to rain. So I figure I'd just do a quick recap in the garage here. So there's the Hayabusa, guys. That's what's going on with the bike in the background. In addition to making videos on stuff for myself, I also do work on other bikes in my garage, and I try not to do this big of a job often because this job really did take a lot of time, and the guy who worked on it, he's a real good friend, so I didn't mind doing it. But yeah, these things take a ton of your time, and I like the results. You know, the end results are nice. The bike looks good, but I'm going to stick to my projects, which is what's going to be coming up in the next couple of uploads. That bad boy back there, we are going to get started working on the Shadow. So look forward to that if you're excited about the Shadow. If you don't care about the Shadow, then just wait till I do something you do care about. But that's what's going on with the Hayabusa in the background. That's how I started filming this stuff, and figure what the heck, I'll just do a little mini series on that. It was impromptu. I didn't have anything really planned, so if you like that series there, you know, drop a comment below. Tell me what modifications you would do to your Hayabusa, or what modifications you've done to your Hayabusa. But that's going to do it for this video, guys. We'll see you in the next upload. Got to get started on that. Bye for now.